Here is the before of the disgusting microwave. That would be my spaghetti sauce. And we are going to try a little bit of Zep Microwave Miracle foaming cleaner. Okay, according to the directions, we spray, activate, and wipe. Thoroughly coat microwave, bottom or turntable with product. Activate microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. Allow product to cool, then wipe with paper towel or cloth. Okay. Squirt, 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 squirt. Doesn't say how much. Squirt, 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 squirt. Well, okay. If I can figure out time lapse, 2 minutes. Aren't those neat? I read the directions out loud, and it said to thoroughly coat microwave. I didn't put that and how many squirts to put, so I added a few more, and I'm continuing on. Aren't those neat? It's time to clean. Okay. Paper towel. Ooh, comes off very easily. It took a few paper towels and I switched to a kitchen cloth. It did leave quite a bit of liquid on the bottom, but as you can see, the stuff that was burnt and caked on came off easily. It looks dark in that corner, but I assure you it's a shadow and not gunk. So Zep Microwave Miracle worked very well. It was very easy to wipe off. Hooray! A product that works.